To count steps by using Samsung A07, all you have to do is just to click and hold on the empty space in the home screen. Now click on the widgets, and over here, take a look. We are looking for a steps counter. So in the most cases, you should find it here in the recommendation, but sometimes when it is not here, click here at the top and input steps phrase. We can find it in the health, so click here and we can find a few different widgets. So in my case, I want to see like this widget, so I have to click and hold it, and I'm gonna put this at the top of my home screen. There we go. Now click outside and click on it one more time. So all we have to do right now is just to set up the Samsung Health application, and it will automatically track our steps during every activity. And you can even turn on some specific activities if you want. There we go. So we have to just accept all of those permissions. So let's say I want to get like exercise, click next, click start. Just wait for the loading screen, click agree. And now wait a minute. Let's see if it works already. Yeah, we have to grant permission for location. There we go. Let's go back. And I believe that will be everything. Yeah, now as you can see, you can find this step counter at the top of the screen.